In this lesson, we're talking all about fonts. Fonts are more than just letters on a page. They're a critical part of your content's personality. The right font can convey professionalism, creativity, or even a sense of fun. Let's explore different types of fonts, how to pair them effectively, and why typography matters in design. In Adobe Express, you have a wide variety of fonts to choose from. Select the Text tab and add your own text by selecting this button, or choose from a variety of pre-existing text designs. I'll use some of these for the next set of examples. Let's start with the basics: serif, sans serif, and decorative fonts. Each type has its own unique style and use case. Serif fonts have little lines or strokes attached to the ends of letters. They are great for traditional and formal designs, making them perfect for print media like books and newspapers. It's believed that these make it easier to read text in large paragraphs like contracts, but it's also a stylistic choice, akin to formality, luxury. You get the idea. Sans serif fonts are clean and modern, without those extra strokes. These fonts are excellent for digital media, like a computer screen, providing a contemporary and straightforward look. Script and handwritten fonts are elegant and personal, often mimicking cursive handwriting. They're suitable for creative projects like wedding invitations, logos, or branding materials that require a touch of sophistication and personality. Decorative fonts add a unique flair and are often used for special occasions or to grab attention. A really unique way to experiment with decorative fonts in Adobe Express is to try text effects powered by Adobe Firefly. You can apply textures to text with a text prompt, and it's a lot of fun. Finally, monospace fonts have characters that each take up the same amount of horizontal space. They're often used in coding and programming environments because they align neatly and they're easy to read. They can also give a retro or a typewriter feel to your designs. Now that we understand the basics, let's talk about font pairing. Pairing fonts can be tricky, but here are some tips to help you choose combinations that work well together. When pairing fonts, it's essential to create contrast while maintaining harmony. For instance, pairing a bold sans serif or a decorative font with a lighter serif or handwritten font. This contrast draws attention to key areas without causing visual clutter. Looking great. An awesome feature in Adobe Express: font recommendations, so you can preview the possibilities without having to navigate this alone. Another tip is to limit the number of fonts you use. Stick to just a few fonts to keep your design cohesive, like in this example. Too many fonts can make your design look chaotic. Remember, your font choices should align with your brand's message and the mood that you want to create. Practice pairing fonts in Adobe Express to find the perfect fit for your projects.